Hot Toys 1/6 Hulkbuster Jackhammer arm. Is Veronica really this small? Take it out. This hand looks great too. Small but complete, just like a sparrow. Although these accessories are made of plastic, they have a lot of details. This cylindrical arm is as tall as Hulk's. Shiny. It's glowing. This part can also be extended. After all, it's a pile driver, isn't it? Hulk is so powerful that even this small thing can take down anti-Hulk. My screwdriver is too big. I'll install it another day. See you next time.